When Galvanax, cruel champion of Galaxy Warriors, claimed the mighty Power Stars, Earth's greatest ninja sacrificed himself to keep the universe safe. 10 years later, a new generation of warriors rises up to protect the Ninja Power Stars.
It's morphin' time!
They are Power Rangers Ninja Steel.
Ladies and gentlemonsters, I have some bad news. We can't seem to find the monster for today's show anywhere.
I'm Stonedozer, and I rock!
There he is!
My earthquakes will crush the Rangers! I've been shaking their city all day!
We've programmed some new bots to help you. Introducing the Basher Bots! Stonedozer is going to rock the Rangers world!
There are security guards everywhere. How are we going to get into the Levi Weston concert?
Watch the master at work.
Look!
What? This is epic!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, I can't believe how big this place is.
Levi, 20,000 people all coming to see you.
It's sold out. Crazy, huh?
I heard some people waited in line all night.
I've been working so hard on this world tour. They're gonna love it.
World tour? How long are you gonna be gone for?
Just 3 months. But don't worry. If the Rangers need some gold power, I'll be there.
Maybe we should talk about this.
Here's your biggest fan.
Levi!
Hey! Mary, I'm so glad you won those backstage passes.
When I grow up, I'm gonna be a singer, just like you.
Sounds good, Buckaroo.
Hey, how about we take a selfie?
Cool camera.
Does my biggest fan know my favorite food? All right, 1, 2, 3, cheeseburger!
Whoa. Did you guys know that he was going on a world tour for 3 months?
I had no idea.
That's another earthquake.
All those earthquakes are coming from a location close to you.
Really? Send us the coordinates, Mick. We'll check it out. Levi?
See you, Mary.
Bye!
All these earthquakes aren't normal, even for California. We need to see what's causing them.
Levi, we got to move.
Be right there. But guys, my concert's about to start. Can you handle it?
Sure, I guess if you have to. We'll let you know if we need you.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Let's go.
Who needs a backstage pass when you can be backstage trash?
You're a genius, Victor.
I will never get tired of hearing you say that, Monty.
You're a genius.
Quiet. Once that crowd sees us up on stage performing with Levi, we'll be famous. Look out.
Yeah, cool. Great.
We've got to find a less stinky way of getting backstage.
Hey! Get these speakers on the stage.
That's it. Come on.
Levi's concert's happening right over there.
And it's about to start.
Let's figure this out quickly so we can get to the show. Look down there.
Those look like new monsters.
Why would they be moving dirt?
Maybe it has something to do with the earthquakes.
We have to get into that mine. Sarah and I will go check it out. You guys stand guard.
Got it.
Stay out there. Maybe tell it to them. It's morphin' time! Power stars! Lock in! Ready! Ninja spin! Ninja Rangers, fear no danger! Let's go! These new bots are tough!
Yeah, but we're tougher!
Dig faster! Soon I'll trigger a bigger earthquake under the concert that will bring the Rangers running. Then I'll crush them and get those power stars!
They're trying to destroy the whole concert hall.
Levi needs to stop the concert. Levi! Come in, Levi! Hello, Summer Cove!
Levi, are you there?
Levi needs to stop the concert. Levi! Come in, Levi!
Levi, are you there?
Hello, Summer Cove!
Long before we tried to get tangled up and tied, we took so much for granted with nothing to hide. I'll be missing you. Oh, I'll be missing you.
Come in, Levi. Can't reach Levi.
Rangers! You dug yourself quite a hole! Once I crush you, your power stars will be mine! Time to shake things up!
We surround it! Ninja blasters!
Yes!
Good work, guys. Oh, look out for the hole! Is everything okay?
Not at all. They're digging under the concert. They're gonna destroy everything.
We've got to stop Levi's show.
Yeah.
Right, come on.
Be the key. Look into my heart and see. Come on now. I'll be there in moments of sorrow. I'll be there. Just tell it to
We made it, Monty! Now's our chance!
What? I can't hear you!
everlasting. I'll be there. There's no more denying. I'll be there and never fall apart.
Mr. Weston. Oh, okay. Yeah. Everyone, stay calm.
We'll get you out of here.
Head toward the exits. Whoa!
A monster is trying to collapse this entire building.
What? We gotta make sure everyone gets out okay. Ninja spin! Let's do it! Yeah! Come on! Out this way!
Keep going! Keep going!
This way! As fast as you can!
That's everyone over here. You're gonna be all right.
Don't worry, I got you. The exit's this way.
Get out of my way!
This place is coming down! Out of the way!
Dad?
I gotcha! Star Blast!
Go, Ranger, you saved me. You're my hero.
Thanks. Now you need to get to safety.
Okay, I will. Dad!
Perfect. Guys, is there anybody left? There's no one over here. All clear on this side. Good. Our area is empty too.
The Rangers are all inside! Bring down the house now!
Yes, sir! It's coming down! 6 power stars coming up!
Unbelievable! Stone Dozer has done it! What a knockout!
The Rangers are dust!
That's news to us.
You escaped? That's impossible!
Never underestimate the speed of a ninja. You crashed my concert.
Now we're gonna crash you!
I'll take the rock-headed monster. You guys handle the rest, okay?
Yeah. Right. Basher bot smash! I'm out of here!
Not so fast! Look out below!
I think I lost him!
I respectfully disagree. Storm Star! Tornado mode! Ninja Tornado attack! You ready to rock?
Only if you're ready to roll!
Rock Storm Blast! Hey, Levi, give this a try. Thanks. Ninja Clone Star, lock in. Ninja Spin.
Where'd he go?
Over here, Rockhead, Storm Star, Tornado Mode, Ninja Spin, Ninja Tornado Attack.
Put me down!
Whoa! Epic! You think that's bad? Well, I'm about to go electric. Storm Star, Lightning Mode, Ninja Lightning Attack.
Missed me!
Ninja Clone Attack. I've always said, 2 reds are better than 1.
Enough games! It's crushing time!
Gotcha, Brody. Oh, this guy won't crumble. He's too strong. Leave this creep to me. I've only got one thing to say to you.
What?
Catch! Sorry, partner. Looks like you've hit rock bottom. Storm Star! Tornado mode! Storm Star! Tornado slashes! Final attack! Say cheeseburger!
Cheeseburger!
Stone Dozer has left the building. Wow!
Whoa! Oh dear! Looks like Stone Dozer's between a rock and a hard place. Should we help him out? Let's hear it! Yes! Stone Dozer gets a second chance! Gigantify!
I'm huge!
First this one-hit wonder attacks my fans, and now he's trying to make a comeback? Leave this to me. I save my biggest hits for the encore. Let's meet my Zord! Bull Rider Zord Star! Lock in! Activate! Ninja Spin! Bull Rider Zords! Out of the shadows! Whoa! I get two Zords! The Robo Rider Zord and the Ninja Bull Zord are wild rides!
Totally epic!
Wow! The Robo Rider Zord is hot! Hey, what's that? This must be my Ninja Master Mode Star. Time to saddle up! Lock in! Ninja Spin! Ninja Master Mode, ready! Yeehaw! Now this is what I'm talking about. It feels so powerful. Now, let's get this rodeo rockin'.
You want rockin'? Here it comes!
Is that all you got?
Not even close!
Let's take it up a notch. Eat my dust, crater face!
Enough!
Get him with your horns, Ninja Bullzord!
Levi needs some help! Rumble Tusk, Ninja Steel Megazord! Combine! Ninja Spin! Robo Red Sword!
Dragon Zord!
Kodiak Zord! Zoom Zord!
Nitro Zord!
Rumble Tusk Zord! Rumble Tusk, Ninja Steel Megazord! Ready! Ninja Spin! Ninja Master Mode! Ready!
One Stone Dozer coming your way!
Batter up!
If the other Zords can combine, I bet mine can too. Bull Rider Megazord, combine! Ninja Spin! Bull Rider Megazord, ready!
Bring it on!
Hey, Blockhead, you're going down! Ha! Bull Rider Slash! Yes! Target practice!
Wahoo! Yeah! Let's finish them together, Levi!
Rockstorm Guitar, activate! Bull Rider Megazord, Rodeo Rapid Fire, final attack!
Ninja Master Blade, activate!
Rumble Tusk Ninja Steel Megazord! Double Axe! Final attack!
reporting live from Summer Cove High School, home to many Levi Weston fans. After yesterday's massive earthquake, the city's mayor and Levi Weston himself are expected to make big announcements any moment now. We'll stay live as events unfold.
3 months is a really long time to go without the Gold Ranger's help.
We make such a great team, and now he's leaving.
Levi!
Hey, Mary. I'm awfully sorry we had to stop the concert.
It's okay, Levi. You were great. But the Power Rangers were amazing. Gold Ranger even saved me.
Yeah? Those Rangers are pretty cool, right?
When I grow up, I'm gonna be a hero, just like him. Bye, Levi.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce Mr. Levi Weston.
I'm so glad you're all safe, thanks to the Power Rangers. That I've recently figured out that even though music's important, lots of other things are important too. So, I've decided to postpone my world tour. But don't worry, I love my fans, and I'm gonna keep working on new songs for y'all. I'm so sorry, guys. I should have put being a ranger first and come with you to help investigate the earthquakes. My friend Mary taught me something today. Summer Cove needs a Gold Ranger a lot more than it needs Levi Weston. I'm a ranger now, and that's my top priority.
Boy, am I glad to hear that.
Oh, and I always wanted to finish high school. Now I can.
That's great!
The Power Rangers weren't the only heroes yesterday. Victor Vincent broke every bone in his body, bravely saving people. I hereby award you the Summer Cove Trophy for exceptional bravery.
Guys, that's not fair. He didn't save anyone at all.
My 50th trophy! It was worth every broken bone.
Stop it!
You don't have any broken bones.
Well, I do have a broken fingernail.
You're a fraud.
Okay, run, Monty.
Ha! Cute